Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. Today I am sharing my Ipsy Plus box with you. So I have had such good luck with my Ipsy Plus boxes. Ipsy Plus, you pay $25 per month and they send you 5 full-size products and they base it off of your profile. And what I really find helps is if you leave feedback on each of your boxes and each of the products individually. It really helps them to send you products that fit what you are looking for. So I really appreciate that. I've had such good luck with them. I'm so excited for this box. I used to get the $10 a month glam bags, and those you got 5 sample size products. I loved those too. Those introduced me to some of my favorite hair care products, to some of my favorite lip products. So I have been meaning to add those back into my rotation, and I just keep forgetting to do that. So I hope I remember to do that and get one next month. Yeah, Lexi's running around in the background. You'll see her probably. She's excited about something. So anyway, with Ipsy Plus, or with Ipsy in general, you get points for reviewing your products, and you get points for some other thing with Ipsy, but those points do expire. I did have some points that were about to expire, so I did add something to my box, and I can't remember. The only thing is, and I did peek inside, when you add something, you don't get the card that explains everything in your box. So I'm gonna try my best to explain everything from the packaging, but I didn't get the little card this time. So yeah, I couldn't find it. But anyway, let's go through my box. I'm so excited to see what's inside. And unfortunately, I can't tell you the value because I didn't get one of those cards, but maybe I can go online and research the products and pop it across the screen. So I won't verbally say it, but look across the screen if you're interested in learning the value of these products. I can probably do that. So first, what I have is by Pearlise. So this is the box, and it's a Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer with SPF 30 sunscreen, protects and moisturizes, absorbs easily, no white tint, preps skin for makeup. So let's take a look. I think this is probably pretty pricey from what I remember, because I got something from Pearlise last time and I think it was like a $30 or $40 value. So let me just take the metal or the foil off. Ooh. Oh, that feels really nice. Oh, I'm excited for this. Yeah, the smell's pretty neutral too. So, oh, I love that. So beauty through Asian wisdom. So benefits. Blue Lotus is a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. White tea soothes sensitive skin. Soy protein keeps skin soft and supple. Algae extracts help retain moisture. Vitamin E prevents premature aging and improves skin texture. This is non-greasy and non-whitening formula, provides the perfect base for makeup. So here's the actual bottle. Really pretty too, so I'm excited. I really can't wait to use that. All right, next. I am so excited to try this. This is by Thrive Cosmetics, and this is the Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. Here's the box. I see this advertised all the time on Facebook and on Instagram, and I just saw one of my favorite YouTube channels, Sisters and Stitches, so check them out if you haven't. They got this in their box, and I was so hoping that it was in mine. I thought I saw it when I peeked, but I didn't remember, and yep, it's in mine. So these are Liquid Lash Extensions. So I'm about ready to go get rid of my mascara that I have now. I'm pretty much done with it. So I'm gonna move this forward next into my rotation. There's the wand. So that is really nice. I think these are supposed to give you length and volume. Here we go. So this flake-free liquid fiber technology combines buildable fibers and Korean plant extracts for instantly longer, thicker lashes. The orchid stem cell complex stimulates and encourages lash growth. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. I will report back on this, and if this works well, I am going to be reordering this, so I can't wait. Have you used this before? If so, let me know. I've been so tempted to order it when I've seen it like on Facebook and things like that, but I just haven't bit the bullet, so yay. Okay, so this next thing is by Suva Beauty. These are liquid chrome illuminating drops. That's interesting. Pretty box. So let's see. Liquid chrome illuminating drops come in a variety of shades for perfect for creating dewy, radiant complexions, extreme highlighting, bronzing, and strobing. Use on both face and body for an all-over glow. Our formula includes many nourishing ingredients that are good for your delicate skin. It is enriched with pomegranate extracts, vitamin E, and natural emollients. So let's take a peek at what the bottle looks like. Whoops. If I can get the box open. So here, ooh, this is pretty. So I think it's a liquid highlighter. So I'm a little bit scared to use these. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna have to read more up on, you know, what to do. Does it make me, is it gonna make me shine? Let's see. Whoop. I know I'm not using it right. I'm just showing you in my hand to show you what it looks like, but wow. Look at the shine. So once I figure out how to use this, yeah, okay, that's pretty. All right, so next I have, this is by Sundays, and what is this? Oh, this must be a nail polish, number 44. There's not much that it says on the bottle. It's just very basic. Let's open it up. All right. Oh, it is a nail polish. This is a different color, and I don't have a name for the color, so I'm sorry. It just says number 44. So here's the color. It's almost a light green. Interesting. Almost looks like a sage green to me in person. So I'll try that. I'm normally like a red, coral, bright colored nail girl, but I am willing to give this one a try. And then this next thing is by Huda. I think we got something last time. Huda, am I saying it right? Huda Beauty, Mauve Obsession. So this is an eyeshadow palette. I don't wear a lot of eyeshadows, but I'd like to start. Let's look at the colors. Ooh, okay, I could do these colors. So these are a little bit more neutral, which I like. So these are pretty. So we've got some darker colors on the bottom. I really, really like these colors here in the middle. That one's pretty too. All right, I'm gonna give this a try. Not right now, but I'll report back. And then this must be my add-on. I think this is my add-on. This is a lip oil. Yeah, I think I remember adding this one on. So not an add-on, but using my points. By Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics. It's a lip oil, color-infused hydrating oil. A therapeutic lip conditioner that fuses all the benefits of a balm and gloss into a wonderful oil-like concoction without all the gooey stickiness. Beyond extreme hydration, this lip oil imparts a sensual glow and tinted coverage to help improve the appearance of volume and softness. Created with skin-soothing safflower, coconut, and tomato oils to assist in boosting moisture levels and elasticity. So you're supposed to dip the applicator into the oil, glide it along your lips, and then purse for an irresistibly luscious pout. Sorry, I just couldn't read that. Okay. Let's look at, ooh, oh, yep, I did. I love red. Look at this beautiful red. So I do have red lipstick on. So let's just swatch this on my hand. Ooh, yeah, this is totally an oil. I'm really interested to see how this is gonna be on my lips. Because look at this. It's very like sheen. So yeah, see that? So it's a really pretty red. Oh, and it's in cherry tomato. Did I tell you that? So, yeah, I'm excited for my new lip oil too. This was a great box. See, there's such a great variety. So makeup, skincare, and I'm more into the skincare than I am to the makeup. And I think that's why I love the Ipsy Plus boxes, because they kind of have a good combination. And it's pushing me out of my comfort zone with the makeup too, which is nice because I am experimenting a little with the palettes. So they are a little intimidating to me, but I am trying to get used to them. But all right, thank you so much for watching. If you are a YouTuber, I can't wait to watch your Ipsy Plus videos because I love seeing what people get in their boxes. And then if you receive your Ipsy boxes, let me know what you got. And if you got any of the same products, have you tried them yet? And what did you think? Let me know. All right, thanks again for watching. I truly appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video.